Okay, so I've seen several people ask in the last couple of days how to make a file. For example, the most recent one I saw was soon to be Mrs. Something with a different color ring. So I just want to show you guys kind of how I did it. So what I did was I wrote out the "We're Engaged" in one file, like in one font, in black, and then 2017 also black. But then what I did was I uploaded the ring, SVG, and you see it's a separate piece and it's a separate color. So if you upload it and it's black, all you have to do is come over to this part of your screen and you see the little dots next to your items. So you see the ring. It doesn't totally matter what color you make it, just as long as it's different than black, because it will cut it separately. So I do this and keep it nice and neat here so I can see how it's going to look when I lay it out, but you can put the ring anywhere and it will cut from any, thing. So once you've got it like the size you want it and the color is different than the rest of your project, you're going to come up here and, excuse me, I have a cold, but you're going to come up here and click Make It. And what you'll see is it's got this part on the black. So that's one mat. And then we have the gold ring on the gold mat. I could cut it, but I'm not going to waste, my time or anything like that. But you'll see when you eventually do make it, to lay it out, you'll just have a separate color ring. I do hope that helps some. If you have questions, let me know. I've been doing this a while. I'm pretty darn good at it. But let's say we want the "We're Engaged" black, the ring gold, and let's say that whoever wants it wants the 2017 a different color as well. So let's say they want 2017 in blue. So just pick a blue color, and now you've got "We're Engaged" 2017 and the gold ring. Make sure that you make the 2017 separate from the "We're Engaged," because you can change the colors that way. So now when you click Make It, you'll have three mats. So you'll have "We're Engaged" black, the ring in gold, and your third mat is your 2017 in blue. Like I said, if you have questions, let me know. I'm happy to make any of these tutorial videos if they're helpful for you guys. Thanks!